Wouldn't it be cool if you could get paid for giving your opinion? Well, actually, you can. You can get $30 an hour for doing surveys online. And I'm going to tell you 5 different websites where you can do that, and I've used them all. So you definitely want to stay tuned, watch this video all the way through, and let's get to it. What's up, divas and divos? It's your girl Nikki back at you with another video, and I am telling you how you can get $30 an hour for doing surveys online. And again, all of these, I actually use them, so I know that they work. So let's jump right in with the first one, and it is one of my faves, and it is InstaGC. So InstaGC stands for Insta gift cards, but they don't just do gift cards. They have cash options as well, including Visa gift cards, PayPal, so that's cash going into your PayPal account, as well as Bitcoin or direct deposit. So there are a variety of ways that you can earn on InstaGC, and you can do surveys on that platform. But they don't just have surveys, they also have other options like playing games or doing other activities such as offers and things like that, so that you can earn points that can be converted into those rewards. And not only do they have those cash rewards that I just told you about, but they also have gift cards. And like I said, InstaGC, Insta gift cards. Those gift cards are instant, and they have more gift cards than any platform that I've ever used. So InstaGC, I'm going to link them down below. You can check them out. Find out if they work in your country if you're not in the US, but if you're in the US, they definitely work here. So again, InstaGC is linked down below. So the second one that I want to tell you about is InboxDollars. Or if you're in the UK, it's called InboxPounds. I'm going to link them both down below. But InboxDollars, I'm just going to call it InboxDollars from this point on, even if I'm talking about InboxPounds. It includes them too, okay? But InboxDollars, they will pay you cash for doing surveys, and they are very reputable. They've been around for years, and they are ranked as one of the top options for doing surveys online and getting paid for it. So like I said, they pay cash. It's not like some kind of gift card thing. They only do cash. And InboxDollars has a lot of surveys to choose from. So there is no shortage over there, honey. There's shortages everywhere else in the world right now, but there's no shortages in InboxDollars. And if getting cash for your opinion is not good enough, InboxDollars often has some pretty good bonuses. So you definitely want to go over there, check it out. And sometimes the bonuses will change, but they normally give at least $5 for you signing up. So check them out. But again, they're not just in the US, they're also in the UK. Oh yeah, and they're in Canada too. So yep, if you're in one of those countries, you definitely need to sign up for InboxDollars. So the next option is Opinion In. Opinion In has a lot of surveys as well, and here's the tea with Opinion In. They will give you a $10 bonus just for completing your profile on there. So you definitely want to complete your profile. So that means when you sign up, make sure that you are responding to the confirmation email that they send you. And that's with all the platforms, but especially with Opinion In, because you are missing out on a $10 bonus if you don't complete that profile. So Opinion In is available in a variety of countries, especially the US. And they're in Canada, they're in the UK, they're in Australia, and for my Indian viewers out there, they are in India as well. So I'm linking Opinion In down below. That's actually a really good one. I got my $10 bonus off the gate, honey. Option number 4 is American Consumer Opinion. And this website allows you to cash out for as little as 1,000 points. 1,000 points is $1, okay? There are very few sites that will allow you to cash out for $1. When you do surveys with American Consumer Opinion, you earn points that can be converted into cash that you can cash out through PayPal. And this one is not just in the US, it's also in the UK, France, Germany, and Canada. So if that's not enough for you, I don't know what is, honey. So if you want to get paid for doing surveys on American Consumer Opinion, here's my link. Where are you going to find that? In the description box. And last but not least, this is the ace that I keep in my back pocket, and this is Guest Opinion Rewards. So Guest Opinion Rewards will allow you to answer surveys, and they have lots of surveys. They send me emails every day. You can do surveys and you earn points, And the way that it works is you link it up with a Hilton Honors rewards account. So if you don't have Hilton Honors, I'm going to link it down below. I'm actually affiliated with them as well as a user. Okay. That's why I got affiliated with them. I'm like, shoot, I use your services. I better be affiliated. Okay. If you sign up for a Hilton Honors account, that is a rewards account where when you stay at Hilton hotels, you can earn points on your stays and you can earn free rooms and stuff like that. And I've earned plenty of free rooms, honey. But one way of doing that without spending money is by using guest opinion rewards. So you can answer surveys on that website and then you will get points that will go into your Hilton Honors rewards account. So that's why you have to sign up for Hilton Honors rewards. So get that. Use my link down below to get that. Okay. And I'm going to link guest opinion rewards down below as well so that you can sign up for them after you get your Hilton Honors rewards account, because it's not really going to help you if you don't have Hilton Honors first. So do that and let me know what you think about these options down in the comments. I do read the comments and I do respond. And with that said, if you like this content, please let me and the algorithm know that you like it by giving it a thumbs up. And also please don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notifications. And before I go, I don't know if you know, but I have another channel where I do blogs and I do real talk over there. And I actually just started doing new videos over there, and it is called Nikki for Real, Nikki number 4 Real. And if you head on over there, I have vlogs. I'm doing podcast type content, story times, stuff like that is going to be over there. So that's the real Nikki, the real. Okay. So make sure you also head on over, check out my other channel, Nikki for Real. I'm going to link it up in the card so that you can check it out and say hello when you come over there. I'm like starting from scratch. Like it was like 3 years that I let that channel lay stagnant. So if y'all can help me out and subscribe over there, I would appreciate you. But with that said, I'm ready to peace out on this video, and I'm probably going to go film some vlogs too. All right, y'all. Bye.